good evening. Well, we've still got our amber weather warning in force for further snow this evening and overnight. And it's been brought across East Anglia by this weather front here. It's been driven by this area of low pressure. It's been fairly slow moving, tracking eastwards during this afternoon, and it's now really focusing on the eastern half of the region. The west got the first covering of snow and is looking largely dry. The radar loop shows where the snow is currently. However, it is quite possible this may pivot around, so the western half of the region could still see some further snow. So wherever you are, expect some more snow this evening. It will start to gradually clear away though. By dawn it should be just about out of our patch. So this is our chart for tonight. You can see the potential for this to move across parts of Cambridgeshire. It's already across Norfolk, Suffolk and Essex, but certainly it could be in the western half of the region during this evening. Now, in terms of amounts, we've already had reports of up to 5 centimetres and potential for another 5 centimetres. That's another couple of inches. Temperatures in our towns and cities getting below freezing, out in the countryside, -2, -3 Celsius quite possible. The wind turning to more of a northeasterly direction, picking up a little bit by the end of the night, and it will be quite a biting northeasterly. Now, it's going to be quieter through tomorrow. A lot of cloud around across the eastern half of the region, and that could produce some wintry showers. The focus of that looks as though it's going to be across the Wash into parts of Norfolk. Further south looking largely dry, into the west perhaps a little brighter, but staying exceptionally cold. So these are our daytime highs. Some parts of our region not getting above freezing all day. The wind's swinging round to more of a northwesterly direction. So very cold indeed, and the focus of some of these wintry or snow showers perhaps moving a little bit further eastwards, a little bit further southwards during the day. Now, looking ahead, Friday's pressure chart's quite interesting because we've got this weather front pushing in from the Atlantic, bringing us some milder air, but it will hit the cold air across us, and that could mean some further snowfall by Friday. So this is how the outlook shapes up. Certainly staying very cold by day with a biting easterly wind. That could mean some further wintry showers, particularly across the coastal parts, and then some further snowfall potentially by Friday. Looking at our overnight lows here, you can see we're in for some really sharp frost, so frosty, icy conditions out there, -5, -6, perhaps even lower out in the countryside.